Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Hunter Call of the Wild. Today, I'm here at the Yukon Valley, and we're gonna try to hunt, well, anything what we can see. So, I'm gonna look up here for something. Maybe something right here in the lakes. I'm gonna drop my where is it? I don't know. You know something? I'm gonna take a shot. I'm gonna take a shot. Pretty happy. Take this rifle. Yeah, he's going down. Oh, yeah, double lungs. Nice shot. I'm gonna try. He drank a bit. The moose is going. Oh wow. Look at that. Yeah. Around here. Is this? Yes, yes. I'm gonna take a shot for the male. Is it attentive? What is this? Okay. Nice. 183.50 is a diamond, so this one. Where is he? Well, it wouldn't be a diamond even if I want to, but well, could you move out of the way, please? Oh, I didn't want that one. I'm guessing she won't. If she won't go out of the way. Oh. Well. I don't want this one. Oh. No, I want this one. Okay. No problem. Sure. We'll grow real. I'm gonna. I'm not gonna lie, it got pretty. Oh, that's not him. Oh, the area is all purple, so what the heck? How did I hit the left lung? Okay. Wow. Is it okay? What? What the group? There are two middle girls and one like. Okay. I'll just... I'm just gonna do hit turns. Here we go. Yeah. I can't. Okay, one here. Where are the other? No. Oh, gold. Okay. Hoping and I hit 4 rounds, so means this was 1. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Come on. Where did I hit him? Okay, I have one last chance. No way. I messed up, but I still one chance. I think the diamond for Wolf is... What? Yeah, I messed up. Well, I hope he's not gonna bleed out, because that would be kind of unfortunate for me. I'm just... Yep, I messed up with the diamond. Oh shit. Kind of unfortunate, but it was near. Oh, it was just... Damn. Shoot. Well, I was aiming too high. If I would aim a little bit, it would penetrate over the lung. Shit.